Hi there. In this demo, we will walk you through how to pay an employee in Qtac. We will walk you through two different ways in which you can pay your employees. First, we will show you how to pay your employees individually. To begin, right-click on your employee's name. Select Open and Pay Employee. This will open the Pay tab. Click Calculate for the software to work out NIC and tax contributions, giving you the employee's net pay. Click More Info to show a full breakdown of gross pay and deductions. You can then click Save. This leaves you with an open pay period. When you are happy that the pay is correct, you can close the pay period. To do this, right-click on the employee again, click Close Pay Period. This process is then repeated for all employees. To view payslips, right-click on the employee whose payslip you would like to view. Go to Employee Print, then click Payslips. Select the type of payslip which you would like to view, then click OK. From here you can choose what you would like to view on the payslip. You can then click Print Preview to see the payslip, or Print to print out the payslip. You can also bulk pay your employees. To begin, right-click on your company name. This will bring up the Process tab. You have the option to process payroll for all workers, CIS only or PAYE only. You can then select the pay frequency. When you are happy with the information, click Pay All. To close all employees, repeat the same process. And that is how you pay employees in Qtac.